morning students. This is 11th standard botany video class, video 17. In this video, we are going to continue the lesson Living World. Dear students, in the previous video class, we have seen classification of kingdom Mycete. That is, it is divided into three broad divisions: Gymnomycota, Mastigomycota, and Amastigomycota. And each and every division which are having different classes. In Gymnomycota, we have seen Myxomycetes fungi. Then Mastigomycota, we have seen Oomycetes fungi. Then Amastigomycota division, we have seen Zygomycetes, Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes, and Deuteromycetes. So these are all the different classification of the divisions. In your book, it's given 5 classes under the salient future. That is Oomycetes, example Albugo candida. Zygomycetes, example Rhizobus and Pylopolus. Then Ascomycetes fungi, the example Morchella and Peceisa. These Ascomycetes fungi, which are having different fruiting body, that is Clistothecium, Perithecium, Apothecium and Pseudothecium. Then this Ascomycetes fungi is otherwise named as sac fungi due to the presence of oval-shaped structure which are bearing ascospore named as ascus. Another one, Basidiomycetes fungi, which are showing the clamp connection, and also they are produce the basidiospore in a club-shaped structure is called basidium. So this fungi is otherwise known as club fungi. Another one, Deuteromycetes or fungi imperfecti. That means sexual mode of reproduction is absent in this fungi, so that they are named as fungi imperfecti. So these Deuteromycetes fungi, which are showing different spore producing organs known as Pycnidium, Acerulus, Sporodochium and Cinema. Up to this only we have seen in the previous video class. Today in this video we are going to see the economic importance of fungi. Dear students, this is the economic importance of fungi. Most probably fungi which are provide delicious and nutritious food material, which are named as mushroom, and also they recycle the dead and decayed matter which is present in the soil. Then they are adding the fertility to the soil due to the decomposition of the complex material which is buried under the soil. That means if the decayed plant parts and dead bodies of the animals and human beings, if you are buried under the soil, these complex substances are decomposed by fungi and converted into simpler substances. So these simpler substances afterwards modified into humus or natural fertilizer, which increases the fertility of the soil. Then this fungi is also responsible for the dairy industry. Example, single-celled fungi called yeast. Dairy industry means, what does that mean? Milk and milk product is also responsible by the fungus named yeast, which is unicellular, that is single-celled fungi. Then they deteriorate the timber. That means they are modify the shape of the timber. Some of them which are cause food poisoning due to the production of toxic substances. Some of them which cause decayed matter of the timber, that is said to be deteriorate the timber, so that fungi which are showing both beneficial and harmful activities. So in this paragraph, they are given both harmful as well as the beneficial, that is food material, dairy product, fertility of the soil are named as the beneficial activities. To destroy the timber and also produce toxic substance, these are all the harmful activities. So dear students, we are going to see both beneficial as well as harmful activities of fungi. First one, beneficial activities. So in the previous paragraph, I told you, fungi is very much important for the beneficial activities producing the food material, that is called a mushroom. So food material which are produced from the mushrooms like Lentinus edodus, Agaricus bisporus, Valvariella valvaceae are having the high nutritive value, so that these fungi are used as an edible food material. Another one, the single cell fungi named yeast, the binomial name is Saccharomyces cerevisiae, provide vitamin B. And Erythromium ashbayi is the another fungi which contains the vitamin B12. So these are all the different fungi yield the food materials. Next one, medicine. Fungi is also used to produce antibiotic which reduce or arrest the growth of the bacteria or destroy the activities of bacteria. So some of the antibiotics which are produced from the fungi are penicillin. So penicillin is the first antibiotic produced by Alexander Fleming from the fungus named as Penicillium notatum is the binomial name. Another one, cephalosporins. A medicine is Acrimonium chrysogenum. Then Gryseofulvin. The medicine is Penicillium gryzofulvum. Another one, ergot alkaloids, that is ergotamine, produced by the fungi is Claviceps purpurea, which is used as an vasoconstrictors. So this is said to be the different medicines which are produced from the fungus. Dear students, the 3-mark question is there. Name some fungi which are producing the medicine. Write their binomial name and their medicines. So first one, penicillin, Penicillium notatum, cephalosporin, Acrimonium chrysogenum, Chrysofulvin, Penicillium gryzofulvum, ergot alkaloids, ergotamine, produced by Claviceps purpurea. Then the food materials are Lentinus edodus, Agaricus bisporus, Valvariella valvaceae, which are having high nutritive value. The unicellular yeast and Erythromium ashbayi, producing vitamin B and B12. So this is the economic importance of food and medicine by fungus. Next, beneficial activities is industries. So fungi which are used to produce for organic acids. So these organic acids are very much useful in commercial purposes. So these organic acids, fungi are employed in the industries. Some of the organic acids and fungi which helps in the protection of organic acids such as citric acid and gluconic acid. Citric acid and gluconic acid, which is produced from the fungi Aspergillus niger. Itaconic acid, which is produced from Aspergillus terreus. Kojic acid, which are produced from Aspergillus oryzae. So all the medicines which are, that is, organic acids which are produced from the genus Aspergillus, but the species only varies. That is niger, terreus and oryzae. So these three of them which are used to produce the organic acid such as citric acid, gluconic acid and itaconic and kojic acid. Dear students, this one is also important 3-mark question. Name some organic acid and their causative organism. So, produced by the fungus. Citric acid and gluconic acid by Aspergillus niger. Itaconic acid by Aspergillus terreus. Kojic acid by Aspergillus oryzae. So these are all the industrious beneficial by fungus. Then another one, bakery and brewery. So bakery, that means bread products, bread, biscuits, like that, bun. Brewery, which means alcohol production, wine, beer, brandy, we are telling that one. That is said to be brewery. The unicellular fungi named yeast, that is Saccharomyces cerevisiae, which is used for fermentation process, that is anaerobic respiration of sugars to yield alcohol. Bakeries is also utilized yeast for the production of bakery products. Kalau starting. Dear students, bakery and brewery is also one of the economic value of fungi. The unicellular fungi yeast is used for fermentation process to prepare alcohol from the sugar. Some of them which is used in the bakery products to produce bread, bun and rolls. Another one, Penicillium roqueforti and Penicillium camemberti, which are employed in the production of cheese. So this is the fungi which is responsible for bakery and brewery. Another one, protection of enzymes. Enzymes are the catalyst which are increase the rate of reaction. These enzymes is also produced by some of the fungus named Aspergillus niger and Aspergillus oryzae. So both of them which are produced different enzymes such as amylase, protease and lactase. Dear students, see the paragraph that the enzymes which are produced from Aspergillus oryzae and Aspergillus niger are amylase, protease and lactase. Another one, rennet is a process which helps in the coagulation of milk in cheese manufacturing, is derived from the mucor species. So mucor, that means you all know that one, நாய்க்குடை காளான் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. நேற்று பெஞ்ச மழையில் இன்னைக்கு முளைச்ச காளான்னு சொல்கிறாங்க இல்லையா. So that is said to be the mucor species. It is in the shape of umbrella. This mucor which are producing the cheese from the milk by the method is called rennet. So this is the another beneficial activities of protection of enzyme by fungus. Then the agricultural role of fungi. Mycorrhiza forming fungi. What is mycorrhiza? Mycorrhiza, which means a symbiotic association between fungal partner and the root of higher plants. That is said to be mycorrhizae. So these mycorrhizae fungi like Rhizoctonia, Pallas, Scleroderma, which helps in the absorption of water and mineral salts from the soil. Another one, the fungi like Beauveria bassiana, Metarhizium, Anisophyllae are used as biopesticides. Biopesticides means they are produced from the living thing, fungi, isn't it? Pesticides means to kill the pest, such as worms, insects, like that. That is said to be the pesticides. பூச்சிக்கொல்லி மருந்து களைக்கொல்லி மருந்து அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. Unwanted pest அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. So that pesticides which are producing from the living thing such as fungi, that pesticides are named as biopesticides. So these pesticides to eradicate the pest of your crops which is produced from the Beauveria bassiana, Metarhizium, Anisophyllae. These two are the fungi which are act as biopesticides. Another one, gibberellin is a growth hormone produced by a fungus, Gibberella fungicori. Dear students, you already studied in 10th standard. This plant growth hormone named gibberellin produced from the fungi is known as Gibberella fungicori, induce the growth of a plant so that this fungi which are act as a growth promoter. So this are all the different beneficial activities of fungi. That is food material, medicine, industries, bakery and brewery, production of enzymes and the role of agriculture. Dear students, up to this we have seen beneficial activities of fungi. Now we are going to see the harmful activities. So harmful activities means fungi which cause disease in plants, animals and human beings. That is said to be harmful activities. Fungi like Amanita phalloides, Amanita verna, Boletus satanus are highly poisonous due to the production of toxic substances. These fungi are commonly named as toadstools. So, fungi which are highly poisonous and produce the toxic substance. These fungi are named as toadstools. Example, Amanita phalloides, Amanita verna, Boletus satanus. These three are named as toadstools. Dear students, 1 2 mark question is there. Name some toadstools. Next one, some species of Aspergillus, Rhizobus and Mucor. Another one, Penicillium. Dear students, see this Aspergillus, Mucor and Penicillium. Some of the species which are showing the beneficial activities, isn't it? But some species of this Aspergillus, Rhizobus, Mucor and Penicillium which involved in the spoilage of food material. Dear students, if you are throwing a piece of your bread in one corner of your house, 2 days after we can able to see the white color patches or ash color patches on the surface of your bread, which means that bread piece or a food material which is spoiled by the fungi named as Rhizobus and Mucor. Dear students, the another species of Aspergillus flavus, which infest the dried food material. That means some of the dried food material is also affected by the Aspergillus fungi. Then some of the fungi of Aspergillus species produce carcinogenic toxin called aflatoxin. So carcinogenic toxin means cancer producing toxin named as aflatoxin. Then patulin, acrotoxin A are some of the toxins produced by fungi. Then some of the fungi which cause disease in human beings and plants. In beans plant, the fungi which cause the disease, it's said to be anthracnose. Anthracnose. That means, so if you have placed the beans for 5 days or 4 days in the open surface of your home means, this beans is having the brown color patches on the surface. That is the fungal disease caused by a fungi of beans named anthracnose. See the diagram, the brown color patches on the surface of your beans. That is named as anthracnose caused by fungus. Dear students, this is the another disease which is caused by the fungus in the wheat leaf region. They are producing the brownish yellow color patches on the leafy region known as rust of wheat. If you are taking in your finger and crush it, which is formed in the form of powdery substance, yellow color powdery substance, that is said to be rust of wheat in the leaves of wheat caused by the fungus. Dear students, these are all some of the disease caused by the fungi. The name of the disease in plants, humans, and also causal organism. Blast of paddy by Magnaporthy grisa. Red rot of sugarcane, Colletotrichum falcatum. So red rot of sugarcane means if you are cutting the sugarcane stem, sometimes at the center we can able to see the red color patches. Red color பட்டப்பட்டையாக இருக்கும். That is said to be the red rot of sugarcane caused by a fungus, Colletotrichum falcatum. Then anthracnose of beans, we have seen in the previous page, by Colletotrichum lindimuthianum. White rust of crucifer, Albugo candida. Peach leaf curl means at the tip of the leaf, which is curled backward by the disease caused by the fungus named Taphrina deformans. Rust of wheat, we have seen in the picture, Puccinia graminis TTC. So these are all the different plant disease and their causal organism. Next one, human diseases. Athlete's foot, that means the sports person belongs to the athlete. Their foot which are affected by certain fungal disease due to they are wearing the shoes for long period. That is said to be athlete foots by Epidermophyton flocosum. Then candidiasis by Candida albicans. Coccidioidomycosis by Coccidioides immitis. Aspergillosis by Aspergillus fumigatus. So these are all the different fungal disease in humans. So dear students, up to this we have seen economic importance of fungi, both beneficial activities and harmful activities. So beneficial activities, the fungus which are very much useful in the food industry. Then some of the fungi which is used to prepare for medicine. Some of them which are used in the industries to produce the different types of organic acids. In bakery, they are used to prepare for bread, bun and rolls. In brewery, they are used to prepare for the alcohol by a fermentation process. Some of the fungi which are responsible for production of cheese. Then production of enzymes by some kinds of fungus such as amylase, protease and lactase. Then mucus species is also responsible for the cheese production by a process is called rennet. Then agriculture, some mycorrhizal fungi, they are absorbing water and mineral salts. Some of the fungi which are act as a biopesticides to kill the pest of your crops or eradicate the pest of your crops. Gibberellin is a growth promoter which is produced from the fungi Gibberella fungicori. So these are all the different beneficial activities of fungus. Some of the fungi is also showing harmful activities in both plants and animals. Some of the fungi which are producing toxic poisonous substances, they are named as toadstools. Aspergillus, Rhizobus and Mucor, which spoilage the food material, and some of them which are producing carcinogenic toxic substance called aflatoxin. Dear students, what is aflatoxin is the important 2-mark question. Aspergillus flavis infest dried foods and produce carcinogenic toxin called aflatoxin. That means in the dried food material. What is the dried food material? For example, dal is there, isn't it? Different varieties of the dal is there, and also groundnut, coconut, that is the endosperm of the coconut. Everything if you are dried, means the dried food materials are affected by Aspergillus flavus due to the humidity or humus in the atmosphere or in the air, which produce the cancer producing toxin called aflatoxin. Then some of the toxins are produced by fungi are patulin and acrotoxin A. These are all the harmful activities, and some kinds of plant disease and human disease also we have seen. Another causative organism also given in the table column. So dear students, I hope you have all understood economic importance of fungi and harmful activities of fungi. Dear students, up to this I conclude my video. Remaining we will see in the next video class. God bless you. All the best children.